फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। मैंने अमेजोन से कुछ पीसेस खरीदे हैं फॉर द समर सीजन, सो आई थॉट लेट्स डू अ क्विक हॉल फॉर यू गाइस टू शो कि मैंने क्या खरीदा है। कुछ कॉर्ड सेट्स हैं इसमें विच आर लाइक अ ग्रेट फिट फॉर द समर टाइम। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आते हैं टू द फर्स्ट आउटफिट विच इज़ दिस कॉट सेट फ्रॉम द ब्रांड जानसिया। इट्स अ लवली ब्लू फ्लोरल कॉट सेट, बहुत ही फ्रेश है एंड perfect for the summer time. I love the fit of this cord set. It looks perfect, something that I can just wear when I'm heading out, something I can wear for work. And I love the lace detailing that it has on the neckline, and sleeves पे भी वो lace detailing है, and even on the pants there is the lace detailing. So बहुत ही minimal detailing है but makes the cord set stand out. And मैंने यहाँ पे इसे accessorize किया है with oxidized jewelry. I've like paired big jhumkas. You can also wear like tiny pearl studs, and I've gone for this boho bag, but you can obviously wear a more structured bag if you're wearing for work, and keep it very minimal. And ये जो fabric है, it is a very good quality cotton, so it feels very comfortable to wear. And as I said, summer time के लिए perfect है, very breathable. I highly recommend that you check this out. Okay, I love this fit. It is another beautiful cord set from Janasya. Janasya is like literally doing great with their summer collection lately. And iska jo color hai, it's such a nice shade of blue. Gives me like a more pastel blue vibe, and it has a floral design with a hint of yellow and mauve. Like, it's just beautiful, the color combination. Again, itna fresh lagta hai when you wear it. I love the fit on this one again, and I love the v-neck. The whole fit looks very chic, and it is something that you can look great wearing to work. Even if you're just heading out to run errands, it's such a nice comfortable fit for the summer. And काफ़ी अच्छा price point भी है इसका. And again, the fabric quality is really good, and I love that it looks so great with my short hair. It just complements it beautifully. I have styled it with a choker. You can just go with like studs as well. वैसे भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. But I just added a choker because क्योंकि इसका एक V neckline है, I cannot add anything else unless it's like a long necklace. And I've added some glass bangles in mix and match colors. And that's the whole look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out the product link in the description box. I have yet another cord set from Janasya. ये भी pure cotton cord set है. Look at the vibrant shade of pink. It is printed all over, and जो print है वो बहुत ही प्यारा है. Looks very nice and perfect again for summertime. And इसकी जो sleeves हैं, they have this elasticated end, and that adds a little bit of some style to the kurta. And the neckline is very simple, pura print on print kurta set hai, and perfect for workwear as well. So I have styled it with like a statement neck piece, and I've taken a structured bag. ये bag भी आप Amazon पे check कर सकते हो. I will add the links in the description box. And क्योंकि ये shade of pink इतना प्यारा है, it looks great on all skin tones, and ऐसा color पहनते ना आप पूरा दिन fresh लगोगे. So it's a very nice kurta set, and the quality of cotton is also very good. They say it's pure cotton. I'm not really sure about that, but it still feels very premium. Price point इसका थोड़ा high है, I felt, for the kind of kurta set it is. I would not think it would cost 1700 something, but because it is such premium quality fabric and even the fit is very comfy, I do not mind paying for this kurta set. So links मैंने description box में डाले हैं, go check it out. आते हैं to the last product, जो है ये बहुत ही प्यारा short kurti. This is from the brand Ada. I hope I pronounced it right. And it is their chicken curry short kurti. बहुत ही प्यारा shade है, like lavender color, and I don't have a color like this in my wardrobe, and I feel very beautiful wearing this. And just look at the design all over the kurti. इतना प्यारा काम किया गया है. Full embroidery work है all over the sleeves, एंड आई लव द लेंथ. अभी मैंने इसे पेयर किया है विद ट्राउज़र्स, बेज ट्राउज़र्स फ्रॉम माई वार्डरोब. एंड ये इस चीज़ की खासियत है कि यू कैन वेयर इट विद सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स. आप डेनिम्स पे पहन सकते हो, यू कैन वेयर इट विद पलाजोज, या फिर आजकल काफ़ी ट्रेंडी है स्ट्रेट फिट पैंट्स, आप उस पर भी पहन सकते हो. एंड दे आर सो कम्फर्टेबल. ये ब्रांड थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है बट देयर क्वालिटी इज़ रियली ग्रेट. Now, website pe they have mentioned it is a muslin fabric. I'm not really sure whether this is muslin. It feels more like cotton silk to me. But जो भी fabric है, it feels very breathable and very nice for summer time. And very very nice quality of the embroidery. मतलब ऐसे threads बाहर नहीं आ रहा है. So the work is of good quality and I'm really happy with that. And something that you can carry for like work wear, you're going to college, then you can wear this outfit. It is just perfect for so many different age groups and the color is beautiful. इसमें बहुत सारे color options भी आते हैं and they have such a nice collection of chikankari kurtis. You must definitely check this brand out and especially this one is worth a steal. So ये था आज का quick Amazon summer fits haul. Let me know your favorite in the comments down below. And you know the drill. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.